Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are okay. Today I'm gonna talk about what are some sounds around us. To understand this lesson, listen carefully. Sounds are everywhere. When I ask you, how do you get it up in the morning? Maybe by the sound of alarm clock or by mother's wake up call. So we can say that your day starts with the sound. Sound is a very important part in our life. We are able to communicate with each other by sound only. So let's learn more about sound. Many things around us make sounds. Humans make sounds, animals make sounds, and also non living things make sounds. A thing that makes sounds is considered as a source of sound. So anything makes sounds, we can call it a source of sound. Okay, but some sounds are loud, you can't miss hearing them, and other sounds are soft, you must listen closely to hear them. Such as what? Such as turning pages like this sound. This sound is soft sound. And also tick tock of clock. It is also soft sound. Okay, what about loud noisy sounds? Like barking dogs. Machines can also make a really loud sounds. Okay, very loud sounds can harm our ears. So, what should we do to protect our ears? If we use headphones, we should lower the volume of the music to protect our ears. It is very important. So, what we have learned today? We have learned that there are many different sounds around us, and humans, animals, and non living things make sounds, and anything makes sound is considered a source of sound. And some sounds are loud and the other are soft. I hope with my video lessons you can discover how much fun science can be. Thank you for watching.